In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TikTok for Shopify and sync your products to TikTok Shop. We'll start inside your Shopify admin so everything stays organized and connected. First, open Settings and go to Apps and Sales Channels. From there, select Customize next to the Shopify App Store to open the store listing. In the search bar, type TikTok and look for the TikTok for Shopify app. Click Add App, then confirm the installation. Shopify may show you a summary of the permissions the app needs. That's expected, since it will manage product syncing and shop details. If you don't see the app right away, double-check you're in the correct Shopify store and that you have permission to install apps. Right after installation, you'll be redirected to the TikTok Shop Setup page. Click Connect TikTok Account. Log into your existing TikTok for Business account, or create one if you haven't set it up yet. When TikTok presents the permission screen, review what access you're granting and click Authorize. Make sure you're connecting the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple brands. Using the right account now will save you time later. Next comes configuration and syncing, which is where the real connection happens. Select the TikTok Shop account you want to connect. In the Shop Information section, click Verify to confirm your shop details. If TikTok requests business verification, follow the prompts and upload the required documents. Having your legal business name, address, and identification handy will speed this up. Now choose which products you want to sync with TikTok Shop. You can usually select your entire catalog or pick specific collections. Before you sync, check that product titles, images, pricing, and variants are clean and clear. TikTok shoppers rely on visuals and concise descriptions. Set up your shipping and return policies to meet TikTok's requirements. Be specific about processing times, shipping methods, and return windows so customers know exactly what to expect. Align these policies with what you already use in Shopify to avoid conflicts. Finally, complete the remaining onboarding steps, including selecting your selling regions. Choose the countries or regions where you can confidently fulfill orders on time and in compliance with local rules. Once everything is filled out, save your settings. Your products will begin syncing to TikTok Shop, and updates to inventory and pricing in Shopify will carry over automatically. You can revisit these settings anytime from apps and sales channels to fine-tune your catalog, policies, or regions. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to TikTok Shop and ready to